In Whatcom County, we're returning to a place that may look familiar, Enfield Farms. Over 1,000 acres of raspberries and blueberries are being grown here every year. The raspberries have just been harvested, and I've come to see how Andy Enfield and his crews prep these rows for seasons to come.
In the raspberry harvest, we harvest them 15 to 17 times over the season.
Really?
Every
They
two
go
and a
back
half
that
days.
fast?
Yeah, they ripen that fast.
So what happens now in the process?
Now we're gonna go through and take out the compaction.
After about 6 weeks of harvesting raspberries, the machinery used compacts the soil between the rows, making it difficult for future plants to take root and for water to penetrate the soil. Crews will drive through these rows with a cultivator, which churns that soil up, making it nice and loose for future use on the farm. But what about the plants? What do you do for these plants to ensure that they are ready for next year?
And we're gonna take out this old cane. All
This
these
right
old
here?
canes, all that's coming out.
Okay.
All the way to the ground.
So the ones that are green, these stay. And will those green ones produce next year? Is that
These
the idea?
green ones, they're gonna send laterals. These are all laterals that come off, and the fruit comes off the lateral.
Hand pruning hedgerows is an intense and time-consuming process that requires capable people to do it properly. Finding good laborers can be difficult, causing farmers like Andy to seek help from hundreds of miles away.
We're seeing a lack of qualified workers locally. We started using the H2A program. We're getting H2A workers from Mexico, highly qualified individuals that are capable of doing lots of different tasks.
So of all the workers that come here and work for you, do you get people that come back specifically just to work with you guys?
Yeah, we have. This is our third year in the H2A program, and we have 90% returners. They're making a good living to take back home. Growing some of our favorite berries is only part of the work being done at Enfield Farms. Together with Northwest Plant Company, research is being done to develop new varieties of raspberries that we get to enjoy in the future.
So we're taking pollen from one and crossing it with the seed parent from the other, and then we can grow those out and we can look for the characteristics that each of those parents might bring. We're looking for higher yield, we're looking for better flavor, planting longevity, disease resistance.
Julie Enfield oversees plant breeding at Northwest Plant Company, and it takes years of research and testing before we can even see the results of her team's labor.
This one here, Wake Haven, is one that we crossed here, selected here, and we've seen it through the whole way.
What's that process look like? I mean, are we talking like a boardroom full of people and little cups of raspberries?
You know, that's part of it. That's part of it, definitely. But it's like years of data. And it's like, well, how did it yield that year? And how did it yield that year? And when it was really hot, how did it do? And when it rained, how did it do? We've got a couple advanced selections that are in grower trials right now, and we're seeing some good data come out. So it may not replace something, but it may be a good alternative.
If you come up with a raspberry that's big, juicy, and fruitful, I think you should call it Tasty Tomas.
Tasty Tomas. I'll add it to the list.
Add it to the list.
Yeah.
I think it'd be a big seller, really.
Right.